Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix sales strategies with Oracle, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current sales strategies. Identify key performance indicators that reflect your sales effectiveness. Gather data on your existing sales processes and customer interactions. Utilize Oracle's customer relationship management tools to analyze this data. Explore Oracle's Sales Cloud for insights into lead management and sales forecast. Review your customer segmentation within the Oracle platform. Assess your targeting strategies based on these segments. Refine your sales messaging and tactics according to customer needs. Implement Oracle's automated tools to streamline follow-ups and reminders. Engage in regular training sessions with your sales team on utilizing Oracle effectively. Analyze sales performance metrics using Oracle's reporting features. Identify areas of improvement from the analytics provided. Adjust your sales strategies based on these insights. Consider incorporating Oracle's artificial intelligence features for predictive analytics. Test different approaches and measure their impact on sales performance. Gather feedback from your sales team on the tools and strategies you've implemented. Continuously iterate and refine your strategies based on real-time data. Document all changes and results to track progress over time. Stay updated with new features and updates from Oracle to ensure your strategies remain relevant. Focus on building long-term relationships with customers using Oracle's resources. Monitor the market trends and adjust your strategies accordingly. Implement a feedback loop to regularly review and improve your sales strategies. Celebrate successes and share best practices within your sales team for continuous learning. Conclude by establishing a routine for periodic strategy reviews to keep improving. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.